Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a created signature on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go to the top left corner of the screen where it says new email. Click on this to compile the new email. Let's type the email in before we send. So this is a test email. Kind regards. And then let's now go to the toolbar where we have signature. In the previous tutorials, I did demonstrate to you how to insert or create a signature. So let's now click on admin. If I were to, let's just say, now go into edit signatures, click on the admin signature. We will now click on the minus sign to permanently delete the selected signature. That's correct. That's now gone. If I were to now highlight the admin signature, delete, go back to signature, as you can see, that signature for the admin is now no longer available. We only have the standard and admin update. Click on that. Yes. We can now send this email to our recipient, which will be the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Double click to expand to ensure that this is in fact the Computer Science Videos business Gmail account. Subject, test email. Let's now click on send to send this email. As you can tell by the notification, the email itself has been sent. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go on to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser, Google Chrome, wait for that to load. Go to the top right corner where we have Gmail, click on this, test email, there we go. This is a test email, kind regards, and the admin signature shows up on screen. Quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.